Hello, good day everyone. I am at Energy Bahula from BSME Block B, and my major is about how can we convert wind into electricity or energy to use for our homes, and that's why it is called a windmill, which generates electricity through the help of wind. How, how I did it is I made this model out of cardboard and other materials to make the structure and used a motor just like this for electricity generation and connected it with electrical wires through the light bulb inside this house for the electricity to power the bulb. How does it work? So basically, it works or functions like a generator to help the wind that blows into the windmill. It captures the wind's kinetic energy to create electricity. Wind pushes against the blades just like this and causing them to spin, which turns the shaft connected to the generator, and then the generator will ride the electricity, which is from the windmill itself. It is relevant in the field of mechanical engineering. It is because it was the first invented machinery to utilize the wind's kinetic energy to produce electricity way back in the modern day as a historical and foundational technology for converting wind's kinetic energy into the useful mechanical power for tasks like grinding grain, pumping water, and powering early machineries. And that is all. Thank you.